Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the second question of exercise 9.1 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here you can see some triangles. We have to find the area of each of these triangles. What is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? It is nothing but half BH. It can also be written as B into H divided by 2, where B is the base and H is the altitude or height of the triangle. I have uploaded one video regarding area of a triangle. Try to go through that. It will be useful for you. Now let us solve one by one. In this triangle you can see here this is the base and this is the altitude or height. So let us write base equal to 4 centimeter, height equal to 3 centimeter. So area of the triangle equal to formula is base into height divided by 2. That is equal to base is 4 centimeter into height is 3 centimeter divided by 2. Here we can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then we get 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter square. Or we can multiply 4 and 3. After that we can divide that by 2. That is 4 3s are 12 centimeter square divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6 centimeter square. Or you can do like this also. We know area equal to half BH, that is equal to half into base is here 4 centimeter into height is 3 centimeter. That is equal to, here we can cancel 2 and 4. That is 2 twos are 4. So we are getting 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter, that is equal to 2 3s are 6 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 6 centimeter square. Now let us go to the B part. Here this is the base. That is one of the sides of this triangle and this is the perpendicular to this side. Let us write base equal to 5 centimeter, height equal to 3.2 centimeter. Now area of the triangle equal to formula is base into height divided by 2, that is equal to base is 5 centimeter into height is 3.2 centimeter divided by 2. Here you can divide 3.2 by 2, then we will get 1.6 here, and after that you can multiply 5 and 1.6. But here I am going to multiply 3.2 and 5. After that we will divide it by 2. So 3.2 into 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Now where to put the decimal here? For that we have to check these numbers. Here there is no decimal place for this number. Here there is one decimal place. So from the right, after one digit, we can put the decimal here. So 5 into 3.2 becomes 16 centimeter square divided by 2. 16 divided by 2, that is 8 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 8 centimeter square. Now let us go to the C part. Here this is a right angled triangle. And in a right angled triangle, two of its sides will be altitudes. So here this side and this side both are altitudes or heights. If we take this side as the height, then this will be the base. And if this as the height, then this will be the base. Here I am going to take this side as the base and this side as the height. So here base equal to 3 centimeter and height equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, area of this triangle equal to base into height divided by 2. That is equal to 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter divided by 2. 3 fours are 12 centimeter square divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Therefore, this will be 6 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 6 centimeter square. Now let us do the last part. Here, this is an obtuse angled triangle and this is the base and this is the height or altitude. So let us write base equal to 3 centimeter and height equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, area of this triangle equal to base into height divided by 2, that is equal to 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter divided by 2. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 centimeter square divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 3 centimeter square. So if we know the base and height or altitude of a triangle, then formula for finding the area of the triangle is half BH or B into H by 2. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.